Vaishnavaśca Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathamidam Tam Sadaitam Sabodhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Vishakha Nitansha Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Let me read all the questions what I got. What is the Sham? Sham. Okay. Okay, today. Dandavat Pranam to the lotus feet of Srila Gurudev. Gurudev, I want to ask you two questions if you kindly answer. In your earlier lecture, you told us that Nandanandan Sri Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Then, why Srimati Radharani, Gopis, Jashoda Maya, Nanda Baba, and all the Brajavasi felt so much separation when Krishna went to Mathura? In spirit, Krishna never ever leave Vrindavan. Always with Radharani. You know, physical form, they're like Gurudev. Gurudev eternal. He never ever leave us. But in spirit, we are always with us. When in physical form, manifesting pastime to leave us, physical form, that make all of us in separation. Therefore, Krishna, separation, they feel physical form. In spirit always, Radharani always. Krishna always with Radharani. In that way, our parampara think and parampara teaching us, and we believe it, and we will realize it. Eventually we realize it. This is the matter of realization, not like a scientific explanation. My second question is, what is the significance of number 8 in Krishna Lila? Number 8 in Krishna Lila? I means the Lord incarnate on Ashtami Tithi, and the 8th number of Radharani's main Sakhis are 8 Ashtakalya Lila. Oh, great. Mahaprabhu wrote only 8 slokas. Answer my questions. We can say 8 is very significant numbers. Mahastami also, 8. Though actually Jiva Goswami Pad in Gopal Champu explained in his commentary that why Krishna appeared on 8th day of waning moon cycle. He says, first 6 son of Devaki, they are like 6 enemies of our body, which we consider like lust, anger, greed, madness, bewildered and envies. When we are able to conquer means when we are able to control all of them, then we will get the real initiation. There was 7th Om, that Sankarshan, and it means actually Balaram came, but it transferred from Rohini Devi, from Devaki to Rohini, another wife of Vasudev. And when real initiation taking place, then we are able to meet Krishna. These are the steps of 8. 6 enemy we have to conquer. Lust, anger, greed, madness, bewildered, and envies. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Madho, Matsarya. That is the 8. Significant. Jiva Goswami Pad explained in his commentary. So, I think in every steps like that. In 8. First, let us control our 6 enemies of our body, which is disturbing us for fixing our mind towards the Lord, and then we can get real initiation. Then after real initiation, we can have relation with God. I think you understand what 8. You know this. Brajeshwari Dasi looks like wife of Chandrasekhar Bhuga. Questions. Yesterday Gurudev told that for living entity living on earth, their body proportion is 8 earth. Rest means actually whatever, water, fire, air and space. So 2. But science says our body has 75% water. Kindly elaborate it a bit. Science says Big Bang create this whole universe. Do you believe it? This is explained by our Vasudev, that you have to believe. Whatever Vasudev say, eventually it is coming truth. Science may say so many things today, and tomorrow they say we made mistake. it should be like this. Like science, when they produce chemical, high-bit vegetables, they feel proud. Now they are head down because it become cause of cancer in present society, main cause of cancer. Now they are not able to say openly, but hidden places they say it is, because this genetic or gene and also vegetable gene, it was perfect, but we change Monsanto, change everything, and we support Monsanto, and now we are in the trouble. So, if you believe science, you may believe. If you believe Vasudev, you have to believe Vasudev. Vasudev never ever say anything wrong. Better for us to believe Vasudev. Thus, in the 30 seconds close. Acha, what is this? Yeah. Hare Krishna, please accept my obeisance. You said yesterday that it is important to understand Gurudeva's inner desire. How to understand it? When and how this understanding will come? Thank you, this Triveni. Oh, Triveni. You are Triveni, three current in the same river. No, Sattva, Raja, Tamo. So you can understand. This is the connection with the relationship with Gurudev. When relation means not to close. Our understanding relation means to be always with close physically. No. Physically, mentally, whatever. Whatever he has instruction, you have to follow and chant. And Gurudeva's main instruction to chant and serve Vaishnavas, and then eventually you will get mercy from Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan too. That their mercy will allow you to realize it. Not only understand, realize it. We are not observing spiritual practice for understanding. Actually, our purpose to practice the spiritual practice for realizing. So try to realize it, and then it will always reveal in your heart what is the desire of our parampara. First of all, you have to know Guru is not individual. Guru means one tattva. Tattva means is entire parampara's member is Guru. So whatever instruction they already kept for me or kept for us, we have to follow with our best ability. We should not be we should not try beyond our capacity. Always we should try under our capacity, with our capacity. If we do beyond our capacity, then you may lose your enthusiasm. So therefore, I always prefer all of you should do with your capacity, in your capacity, according to your capacity. Then question by Joy Bhakti Devi Dasi from France. Anyway, to reach Goloka Vrindavan, does one have to first go through Vaikuntha? To attain Madhurya Rasa, does a devotee have to go through Santa, Dasya, Shakha and Vatsalya? Is the liberated devotee fixed, or can he see change Rasa? Yeah, this is the first question you have. Go through the Vaikuntha. First of all, we have to know, when we plant mango tree, that tree give us mango fruits only. Only mango fruits. If you are in the line of Prabhupada's lineage, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta lineage, then you have to follow his footsteps and gradually you will reach the destiny. His destiny, he teaches to how to go to Golok Vrindavan. Therefore, our service mood always very simple, not like opulence, or service mood like Gopi's mood. If you have service mood like Gopi's mood, then you go to Golok Vrindavan. On which train, on which boarding pass you have, that same airplane will, air host will allow you to enter the plane. If you have boarding pass for America, New York, America wants city in New York, only New York airplane, the air host will allow you to in that New York plane. If you have Boston or Chicago or San Francisco, then they will allow on that particular plane. So which plane you are, I think if you are following the footsteps of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, then you are in the plane of Goloka Vrindavan airplane. So try to follow the footsteps of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur and you will reach the Goloka Vrindavan. Yes, there is one. Next question. Madhurya Rasa, does a devotee have to first go through Shanta Dasya Shakha and Vatsalya? First of all, what I explained yesterday, Madhurya Rasa means all rasa together. Shanta, Dasya, Shakha, Vatsalya. There is no need to go through all these one by one. So, Lalita Sakhi, accordingly, she will engage you in her services. So don't worry. Is the rasa of a liberated devotee fixed, or can he or she change rasa? Yeah, there is a controversy. There is Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. His explanation, it had been fixed. Once he explained, the same earth we are putting like a tamarind seed, like a chili seed, sugar cane, and different seed, same water and same sun, then you can see different tastes coming. So in that way he tried to fix that, try to say that all rasa have been fixed, everybody is fixed. No one can. But most of our Guru Varga, Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj, even I heard from my spiritual master, this rasa, it may change through our association. But we cannot ignore Siddha Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj's comments, but it may fixed. But Lalita Sakhi, again I am telling Lalita Sakhi, engage you, what service you have to perform it. Like I can give a little example. Lalita Sakhi's main service is actually bitter leaves service. But in Arati Kirtan you can see she is doing Arati. Pancha Kodipe Dhari Korpuravadi Lalita Sundari Kare Jugal Arati. So now in household life you can see you can manage so many things. Cleaning, mopping floor, cooking, and so many. Marketing, even sometime earning money, different. So, but main point is this, our rasa, our goal to be the servant. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, there is Lalita Sokhir or Vinod Dhurilopai, means Lalita Sokhi is Ajogme unqualified servant. Who is the Vinod? Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Therefore, he holds the feet of Lalita Sokhi. So try to hold the feet of Lalita Sokhi, and then you can know all your rasa and what service we are supposed to do, although your rasa is fixed. I think you understand, right? By Shyamarani Devi Dasi from Mirepoix, France. Maharaj, I heard that you are writing a book on all the disciples of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Due to my eagerness and impatience, I wonder if you could say a few words about Das. Who is this? Bhakti Charan, I don't know, is from Odisha, who was the Siksha Guru of Srila Gaur Govinda Maharaj. I don't know what you're talking about Bhakti Charan Das Babaji Maharaj. Bhakti Charan, I don't know. No, there's no information about him. But whatever information I got, I make snapshot biography of Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur's disciples, and it is available in, I think not everything available now, few are available. If you go through the prabhupadaraise.com, that website. The Madhurya Kadambini describes the rain cloud of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mercy showering without Nirankush. When the rain falls on the earth, there has to be a seed for a crop to grow. The seed is compared to Shukriti. It has to be there for bhakti to take hold. However, I heard a Vaishnava say that Mahaprabhu is so merciful that even if the earth is barren, if the heart hard and dry like the desert, the rain of Mahaprabhu's unconditional plant a seed. How can these two angles of vision be harmonized? Very nice question. First of all, I like to ask you a question. You are giving very fresh cow milk, pure cow milk, desi cow milk. You are distributing everyone. I am bringing with a bowl, which bowl to take the milk from you, which bowl bottom has so many holes. Will you give me that milk to me, or you will ask me to change the bowl? Our whole is this, so much misbehavior, misunderstanding, lack of surrender. Mahaprabhu prayed, he distributed, it's okay, but first he teaches. In Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in one song, he says, Ottanto durlabha prem korivare dan, shikhaya sharanagati bhakote pran. Means that prem is very rare, even for God and goddesses. But in order to get prem, first he teaches sharanagati, surrender. he teach all of us surrender. Whoever surrender, they are able to get it. Surrender should be wholeheartedly. I think you understand what I want to say. And how can I think? Harmonized. Am I clear, right? Okay. Also, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj said to his first disciples that he had created their Sukha. Anyway, so what is this? Then, so Dinanath Prabhu now stay at Radhakunda asked me to try to translate. Oh, this is not related to that. Opposite to he had created their Sukriti. Yeah, in one sense you can say he came, actually preacher, inspire us to chant. That is the main goal of each preacher who is following footsteps of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu always in the mass, he is always chanting. But intimate talk, he performed with Sarup Damodar Ramananda in Gambhira in a small room. So, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, all our bad karmas reaction through chanting, just simply chant. And then gradually pious credit appear, which is called Sukriti. Pious credit means Sukriti. And bad karma's reaction pass away, then pious credit is appear and inspire us to associate with sadhu and surrender to sadhu. Yeah, one sense, or Guru Varga, whatever they say, that there is some reality. Just thinking peacefully. So, one more Sham said. So Dinanath, this I don't know who is this. So Dinanath Prabhu, who now stay at Radhakund, asked me to translate. Who is me? To translate Bengali Harikatha of his Gurudev Vaishnava Padodas Maharaj. I don't know. And it will be not free. He will pay some money, like $7-8. I don't know. I already tried translate small part of class, and Dinanath is very happy and asking me to continue this because in this society no one available who can translate from Bengali to Russian language. So what I have to do, is it good to make this like a work? Still this is Harikatha, not a mundane talk, but from another side, and really need money now. $40-50 will be helpful to me now. Please give me opinion on this. This is not a mass question anyway. You send me, who is this? Anyway, first of all, any seva, if we say use the word seva, we should not charge for that. Then it will goes to that karma. Karma will encourage us to get name and fame. Seva will encourage devotional mood. So try to do the seva, but if you need money, then you can ask money as a bhikha. Bhikha means beg money for your surviving from Dinanath. And I think Vaishnava Harikatha always glorifying Lord. He can do it. But now the Vaishnavas, especially me, I am always criticizing everyone. So therefore, if such type of Harikatha like me, criticizing everyone, that Harikatha, I think better not to translate. If it is only glorifying Lord, yes, go ahead to do. Guru Maharaj Dandavat Pranam. Today and tomorrow, Akshaya Tritya. Is it? What? It is not today's. Anyway, I think this is the previous question Sam sent me now. Today and tomorrow, Akshaya Tritya started, most beneficial time for start anything. So, last few months I have got some enthusiasm and inspiration to make a lesson for devotee you had. I will try to give a detailed grammatical explanation of bhajan of our Acharya and some philosophical point also. Because I got some realization by reading and singing all this prayer. So, and now I want to try to help another devotee more test for spiritual practice. So please, if you consider that, I can start to explain all some books like Sharanagati Kulla, Prem Bhakti Chandrika. Please kindly grant your blessings towards this insignificant jiva and give me power to this as much good as possible. Anyway, looks like this is Pandit, our Pandit. Name is Trivikram Pandit. Yeah. If you think you are Pandit, then you do that. Help preaching. But you have to check one more Pandit who know Bengali. You don't think you know all Bengalis. Anyway, these are the questions I got from Sam that the people sent to Sham. I got it. So anyway, now, so many questions. This is Prema Bhakti Krishna Prada. Means Prema Bhakti allow us to serve, become servant of Krishna. This is in this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 82 chapter, 44 slok. What is say? Mai bhakti bhutanamamritatva kalpate drishta jadashimat sneha bhavotinam madapano. 14 chapter 23 Shankha. 4 chapter Adrila, 4 chapter 23. We have to know what Bhaktivinoda Thakur say on this point. Therefore I have to just read. I can't translate, but better to translate what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. He says that, what is this? Amar prati bhakti jive pokhe amrito. Amar prati bhakti means, Krishna says, that devotion towards me, it is nectar for all living beings. It is nectar for all living beings. Hey Gopigan, means, oh gopis, my beloved Radha, everything. Amar prati tomar je sneho, whatever loving affection you have for me, তাহাই একমাত্র আমাদের পক্ষে, তো তোমাদের পক্ষে মত প্রাপ্তির হেতু. This is the only one reason to get me. or you will get my association. Only that one reason, ekmatro. Only the reason, your loving affection. So this is that explained by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Mai bhaktihi bhuta nama mritatvaya kalpati. This dishta yadasi mat sneha bhavatinam vadapanaha. Only one. So establish loving affection through chanting under the shelter of pure devotee. Chanting means Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Chanting under the shelter of parampara. Pure devotee means parampara. Then explanation. Next, Bhakter bhajan galota taratamye Krishna bhakti labhiro taratamya. Bhajan galota, like a different stage of love, like a roti. Roti is a love. When roti become more thicker, it gets prem. My spiritual master used to say, roti gado hole hoy prem. Gado means thick, like milk, boiling, it become thick, then it become condensed milk, right? Similarly, how much you boil means how much you practice sincerely. That love will make thick. That Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, and therefore he says, Krishna re pratiggadiro sarvo kale ache, je joiche bhaje Krishna, tare bhaje toiche. What is our mood to serve? Krishna appear accordingly to us. That mellow. Even this Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, he also says, Ji jathamang prapaddante. The same slok here, same slok Bengali from here. Krishna pratiggadira, right? Krishna promise with firmly promise, with firm manner he promised. Sarvo kale ache. All the time he always telling with bold manner what he je joiche bhaje, means whoever serving, whoever keeping serving mood for me, and whoever keeping what service mood for me, and whatever serving, it should be like that. Whatever serving mood we have, Krishna tare bhaje toiche. Krishna accordingly allow us to serve him. Krishna accordingly allow him to serve. Allow us to serve him. I think you understand. Je joiche bhaje means whatever we have mood to serve Krishna, accordingly Krishna inspire us to serve him. Am I clear? So let me read about this Bhaktivinoda Thakur's explanation. There's a huge explanation here by Srila Prabhupada, Anubhashya. The commentary name is Anubhashya. Prabhupada commentary name is Anubhashya. Should I read? The Prakito Lokya Vichare. Prakito means material people, their understanding. Jini jebhabi bhajan korun na, tini Bhagavan ke paiya thaken. Whoever serving Lord under any mood, Jini jebhabi, whoever serving Lord according to his mood, তো ভগবান পাইয়া তিনি ভগবানকে পাইয়া থাকেন, তিনি ভগবানকে পাইয়া থাকেন। Anyhow, they will get the association of God. They will get পাইয়া থাকেন। কর্ম জ্ঞান যোগ তপস্যা যে উপায়ে ভগবানকে ভজন করা যায় তাহাতে কিছু আসিয়া যায় না। This is material people understanding. কর্ম জ্ঞান যোগ তপস্যা meditation যোগ some siddhi process জ্ঞান merge with the Lord karma some for the name fame distinction recognition desire ভগবানকে if we with this motivation if we serve Lord there is no problem you will get idea like that you can get it we can get Lord. Similarly, I just explained, this whatever boarding pass we have, we can take a flight and any flight is not possible. Prabhupada also trying to say. Particular what boarding pass we have to take the plane, we almost allow you to sit in the plane, particular that plane, not any other plane. So karma, if you do, go to heaven. Again, if you do, you will just destroy your eternal identity, again come back here, yes, because we are not, our identity is not to merge with the Lord, our identity is to serve the Lord. Yoga, Siddhi, some perfect, some vibhuti means mystical power we will get, and we will try to make people fool. People may make people fool sometime for all, sometime, but after that you will lose all your power. Again you come to the bottom, down to the hill, and tapasya, whatever you are, tapasya means meditation or any kind of austere life if you are following. Like I saw Ariyappa, Ariyappa, they are just 1 month, they are sannyasi with black dress, Udupi and all that, so many. So they are tapasya, they are thinking they can reach God. But I don't know which God they believe. So that is the mind concoction. Better to follow our previous teacher. Every subject we need a teacher to learn. So spiritual subject we need to teacher to learn. So Mahajana Janagatasya Pantha, Mahajan, what path they show us, that is our only path. All Mahajan show us Bhakti path, please follow that. Let me read the Prabhupada's explanation on this context. যেমন কোন স্থানে যাইতে হইলে তাহার বিভিন্ন পথ আছে, তদ্রূপ ভগবানের নিকট যাইবার বিভিন্ন পথ আছে। কালী, দুর্গা, শিব, গণেশ, রাম, হরি, ব্রহ্ম, যে কোনো নামে ডাকা যা হোক না কেন একই কথা। This is material people say. Prakito means material people, they are thinking like that. Any type of murti we are worship like Kali, Durga, Shiva, Ganesh, Rama, Hari, Brahma, any name we can pick up or we can chant it all name, but with the same result are same. But I'm just translating what that. অতএব যেমন এক ব্যক্তি ভিন্ন ভিন্ন নাম ডাকে এবং নাম থাকে এবং তাহাকে যে কোনো নামে ডাকলে তিনি উত্তর প্রদান করেন, তদ্রূপ ভগবত সম্বন্ধ সেই কথা। যেমন one person have different name like Jagannath, Jaga, Hari, different name, Bhaja. So whatever name we are calling one person, he always answering. So this is material people say, any name, Kali, Durga, just call, then Bhagavan will answer to us. But I already explained about it. There's whatever our mood of prayer, Lord appear us accordingly. If you pray to Durga, you can go to actually this in Brahma Samhita, Brahma says there's Goloko Namni Nijadhamni Tale Jatasya Devi Mahesh Haridhamashu Teshu Teshu means Tale Jatasya Sarva Pamana topmost in Golok Vrindavan where Lord Hari. Then Durga, this Devi Lok, it is there. Tale Jatasya. That's bottom of this. This is called Sargolok. That is called. Then Mahesh, Devi Mahesh Haridham. Devi Dham, then Mahesh Dham. So this is the, this, I already explained you, again I am explaining you, whatever boarding pass or whatever ticket you have, accordingly you will get in the plane and go to the destination. Each one cannot get a ticket, you buy a ticket for New York and you want to get in, your time to get in San Francisco airport, aircraft, it's not possible. You will get only New York. I think you understand what Prabhupada want to say. Then Prabhupada say, Kintu ei sakal katha balochito monodharmi ব্যক্তিগণের মনোরঞ্জক হইল সারগ্রাহী ব্যক্তিগণ উহা কুসিদ্ধান্তপূর্ণ বলিয়া মনে করিয়া থাকেন. Though material people appreciate all these comments, whatever I read above, but who is Saragrahi means who is taking only essence. Like a swan is like a Saragrahi, taking only milk. If you mix milk and water, swan taking only milk and leftover water. So this is Vaishnava like the Saragrahi. They are not feeling any attachment with any mundane opulence, any mundane designation. They only want to get just that position. The Lord accept his service. His services. That is the essence of every life. Each material people, we born in here, material world. Vaishnava means who is really Vaishnava, means really follow the footsteps of our previous teachers. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, Bhakti Vedanta Thakur, Gaur Kishoradaji Maharaj, Balad Vidyabhushan Prabhu, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Shiksha Goswamis, Narottam, Srinivas, whoever following their footsteps, they say that above explanation of material people is like Kusiddhanto, is a bad philosophy, the wrong philosophy. So we should not go through the philosophy. যিনি স্বর্গাদিগামী হইয়া আধিকারিক দেবতার উপাসনা করিবেন, স্বর্গাদি means heavenly comfort, and worshipping God and goddesses. Like I think I explained one day here in this session that nowadays I have seen this Durga Puja time in Bengal, how Brahmin are chanting the mantra. They are chanting mantra because most people they don't know Sanskrit. They are keeping flower on their palm, inside the palm with folded palm, and whatever Brahmin chanting the mantra they are repeating behind Brahmin. So there's Dhanangadehi means give me the wealth. Jashangadehi give me fame. Buddhingadehi give me intelligence to make fool others. And then most laughing things is this. Rupang Dahi with old woman who has so much wrinkles on the bottom, in his face and whole body. They say, Rupang Dahi, give me beautiful feature. His feature already gone. His form already in the wrinkled form because of old age. How is it possible? Better for Durga is Vaishnavi, better to ask best mantra, plus bhakti, devotion. That is the best. Actually, Vaishnava, we are, whenever go, we are paying obeisance, prostrated obeisance to them, but we are paying obeisance to them right side. Right side. And begging, hey Durga Devi or Kali Devi, whatever, please give me devotion to your Supreme Lord Krishna. Really they are giving best mercy. I am coming from that Shakta family. In my paternal grandfather, their family, 400 years Kali temple, 400 years our tradition family in Howrah, Calcutta, their village, our family temple, 400 years temple, Kali temple, name is Siddheswari Kali. I used to is Vaishnava, and by his inspiration, I used to beg that Siddheswari, please give me Krishna's devotion. I think by the grace of Kali and Shiva, I am here now. So, even the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, where he born, his family tradition also worshipped Kali. Bhaktivinoda Thakur born. Then in same family, they have Kali temple, also 12 Shiva temple there. The others Shivalaya. In Ulagam, if you go there, then you can see that. So therefore, don't ignore their God and Goddess. Rather, give due respect to everyone. Due respect means just to worship them with Krishna's prasad and beg from them Krishna bhakti. They will be extremely happy. I can tell you, once, there is in my village, near my village, just this year, before Gaur Purnima, there is a Malai Chandi, Amta, there is a place, Malai Chandi means Sati's knee fall on the ground. When Lord Shiva dancing with that time Sati's body is Malai, means knee, kneecap fallen on that place. So that place has big temple and surrounding so many people, they follow the Durga. So when I decided to go to the temple with our Sankirtan team, the local people object me that why you go there? They are worshipping Kali, Durga, everybody. No. Kali Durga is devoted. No. They are also sacrificing goat there. I said, okay, our duty to go there and make them understand. Let them chant Harina. So almost 500, 600 people we are with me, and we just enter with Harinam Sankirtan. I made just ecstatic manner, half an hour mantra kirtan in that temple. And they become ecstatic also, all the pujari become ecstatic. And they called me to a room, and I saw Sarada Devi, Ramakrishna, Vivekananda was there. And in that room also there I saw Radha Krishna there. Anyway, so my question is this. Then I give discourses, 10 minutes. It's the same thing what I'm talking about. Same thing I explain. And then they also appreciate. Actually, we have to speak truth, not to ignore anyone. Krishna, everybody belongs to Krishna. No one, we have no right to ignore anyone because everyone belongs to Krishna. They are our brothers, sisters, so we have to teach them, but humble manner, not force manner. So anyway, so our Prabhupada says, Adhikarik Devata Upasana Koriben Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti Tahake Oi Shakal Adhikarik Devotake Devotati Shraddharu Phal Pradan Koriya Tahake Ottantik Mongolrup ফল হইতে বঞ্চিত করিবেন এবং জনম মরণ মালা কর্মচক্রে কভু স্বর্গে কভু মর্তে ভ্রমণ করাইবেন. Means, Prabhupada says, Vaishnava always taking only essence, extract. So, if someone have desire to get heavenly comfortable life, they are worshipping such type of god and goddesses with such intention. So, then in this, for them, Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti means Mahamaya. Bhagavad Vimukini means which illusionary energy has away from Lord. That is called Mahamaya. Which illusionary energy connect us towards God. That is called Yogamaya. Yoga means, so here Prabhupada says, Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti. Because we are only, our goal to get only heavenly comfortable life in this material world. So, Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti means this which illusionary energy of Lord taking us away from Lord, that energy, Adhikari Devota ki Shraddharu. Remember that Maya Shakti means that the potency which is taking us away from Lord appear in front of us with different form of God and goddesses. And that people, they are thinking that if you worship them, that is, we can get most auspicious things and make our life perfect. But Prabhupada says they are actually vanchita. Vanchita means they are rejecting Lord, or also, and in that tendency of worship to God, all God and goddesses, that activity is rejecting them from law, or rejecting Lord, real mercy, and they are moving around Janam Maram Mala means birth and death cycle, that 8,400,000 different type of pieces cycle they move, life after life after life, never ever deliver from this cycle. the nitya baddha, eternally bondage condition. You know, three type of living entities. Nitya baddha, eternally bondage condition, and nitya mukta, eternally liberated, and baddha mukta, before it was actually bondage condition, now by the grace of Vaishnavas, by good association, it become liberated from this cycle. So, I am in this cycle, trying to be from bondage condition to liberate condition. Baddha mukta, trying, I am trying. So I need all of your blessings to deliver myself. I hope, because you are Vaishnava, therefore I hope you will not reject me with my prayer, and I will bestow your blessings to me and deliver me from my bondage condition, and also allow me to preach Mahaprabhu loving mission with by example, with purity, rest of my life. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Tomorrow I will read. It's so big. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Anubhasa is too big. I think a whole night will pass.